YouTube, what's the deal? Big Face Trucker. I'm down here in Durham, North Carolina. Been on this load since yesterday. A lot of flooding going on in North Carolina right now, especially Wilmington. And this load goes to Wilmington, but what the broker's trying to do is get the customer to take it to a nearest store, a closer store that's not in harm's way. So that's what I'm working on right now. The news is really blowing up this hurricane. Right now, it's not even raining here in Durham. A lot of tornado watches is going on. I've been here since yesterday, so layover, the load, maybe another day layover, maybe, I don't know. Definitely got to make decisions out here, you know. Decision making. That's what we do out here. Situations like this. I don't know. I think I should have left this load alone. I should have. I think so. I could be rolling right now. Probably going down to Florida where the water's warmer and it's not too high. You know. But that's what it is. Being patient out here. Is a must. I wonder what these other drivers, there's drivers that's down in Wilmington that can't even move. They're just stuck there. 95 and 40 is supposed to be flooded out. People are stuck. So I'm trying to do a little good for the weather, you know, for this hurricane thing. I'm kind of like feeling the pain, you know. Trying to help, but you feel the pain somehow. Comes with the territory. But that's what's up. Trucking. Dealing with brokers. Dealing with dispatches. Dealing with truck problems. Oh yeah, on the truck problem. Seems to be poor def quality. I pulled up in a Pilot and filled up. So while I was up in Virginia, I pulled to the truck stop and dropped the filter and everything. Seems the filter had a little a leak, and I just put that on maybe a good 6-7 months ago. Had a small leak, and that's where all that white stuff probably was accumulated. But I dropped it down and accumulated inside, cleaned all that out, cleaned the filter, and now the truck is back up running, doing its right speed, but I still got a light on, but no codes. So it's a possibility that the sensor is still sensing a little, maybe some of the bad quality of def. So I'm gonna run it out, put some fresh def in there. It's gonna take a minute, but as long as I got my power and I'm still going no codes, I'm good to go. Alright, could have took it to a Freightliner where they would have charged me and then they would have threw some parts at me, and it's a good possibility it could have been like $600, $700, $800. So I'll probably save me some money for the time being. I'm gonna figure out. I hope this light clears out and goes out, but I have no code, so I'm good to go. So I'm just waiting here at the shipper. Even the shipper was like, I don't know, we're trying to figure out if we should load it or not. You know, I'm like, all right, well, you got to get in touch with this broker. Brokers are hard to find on the weekend. So now that I touch bases with the broker's working some things and see how we can get this load to a closer location, to a Lowe's. But that's what's up, keeping my eye on the weather, which it seems to be like clearing up, put it that way. Checking out my Rand McNally on the weather in the area. It does tell me, you know, what's going on. I can't get it to show me the road closures. So I've been working on that for a couple of hours. I'm gonna get a little more deeper into it. I know the Rand McNally's you gotta update a lot. So every time I go in, I update it. Go into the house, I update it. But lately, I've been going home and, you know, been in and out the house with the short runs that I was running. So I decided to get out, make some cheese. Christmas is coming around, so I got to build that money up. Also, I got to pay off a vehicle before the end of the year, and go from there. And that's about it. See, look, I'm going to relax for a minute, kick back, wait for this broker to give me a call. I'm going to holler at your big face trucker. Peace.